is Austin's birthday, so we are gonna go to Mexico.
I'm getting old.
The airline we're flying is a Spanish airline. All the signs so far have been in Spanish. My Spanish consists of hola. So what's it like to be old, Austin?
My bones hurt.
This is our entire room. We have a lovely bed, which is, this is a double, and a sink, and the bathroom. You know, your typical hotel room. Have a pretty little sweet hotel gym here. It's so dark in here. Ah. We got a cross cable, weights that go up to, oh, those go up to 30. One treadmill, one elliptical, and a bench. And kettlebells. Look at this baby little guy. So just like some final thoughts about this hotel. So our room is small, but it is really nice. The bed is small, but it is comfortable. I haven't taken a shower yet, so I can't comment on that. One of the things that does kind of suck is that you can't get your car really early in the morning because they don't park cars here. Even though the parking is free, they take them somewhere else to like their parking garage. So we're leaving tomorrow at like 6 a.m. so we had to have them go get the car tonight so that way we can take it in the morning. Everything at the cafe is included in your room, which is pretty cool. Everything except for alcohol. Breakfast is included. They have like a full buffet, which is actually really good. Fresh juice, amazing juice. The gym is small, but if you really need to work out, I'm sure you could manage. And the wait staff is just like exceptional. They're great. You have anything to add, Austin?
I want to go to bed.
Oh my God. Go to bed then.